Hazrat Abu Sa'id Maqburi has reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "When any one of you intends to go to his bedding, he should dust his bedding with the hanging front part of his wrapper, for he does not know what has come on it since he left it. He should then invoke, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in your name I place my side on the bedding, and raise it up with your blessing. If you capture my soul, bestow mercy on it, and if you release it, protect it as you guard your upright bondsman." Abu Damara and Ismail bin Zakaria have reported likewise from Ubaidullah, Yahya, Bishr, Ubaidullah, Zayd. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Malik and Ibn Ajlan, Sayyid Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6320.